Hey guys, so today we're back with part 2 of the T-Racers Glow Race video. T-Racer Series 4. Just if you haven't seen part 1, go watch that. It'll just give you a more understanding of the context to it. And also the fact that I'm terrible at opening these. It gives you an understanding of that as well. Dr. Glow! Woo! That should be, I believe, the rear of Dr. Glow. Checklist, don't care about that. Oh yes, well I do. It's that part of the car. Where'd that go? It's over there. It's weird right now. So it reminds me of Rusty for some reason. I'm missing the wheel there. There's the wheel. Okay. I'm so weird with like, oh we're missing that, oh we're missing that. Because that's happened to me before, like. Also, something about T-Racers. The ultra-rare is no rarer than the actual other ones. I hate to ruin it for you. If you do a bit of maths, in a full box, unless there is an error, which happens a few times, but you do get the full set. So the ultra-rare is technically no rarer than all the others. They all come in separate pieces. If you know, this is the cockpit for Dr. Glow, is it? There we are. His number is lightning bolt to lightning bolt. Yeah, that's going to make it very easy for the commentators. Can't remember his name right now, but that one F1 commentator. Like, yeah. The one who said, lights out and away we go. Yeah, I am quite the F1 fan, and that wheel is alive. Okay, yeah, toys are alive, guys. I write notes to them and they reply. Also, you'll probably watch this a few weeks after Christmas has happened, but I'm recording this Boxing Day, so I've actually heard Rudolph, or one of the reindeer, eating the carrots. Anyways, and also some other stuff. What else did I hear? There's odd footsteps. Anyways, look, little emoji thingy. He is Chad. That is other side. Hand waves, right. Next victim. Okay, let's no wrong side. Right now I'm demonstrating. I'm terrible at doing this. I'm pretty sure we've got. Oh no, we've got another part of Dr. Blow. Sure. I don't need. These are getting Wi-Fi. I'm really cold in here because I was gonna wear my like hoodie, but you know. Stay. Some rubbish is back there, don't worry, I'll try and pick it up. Oh wait, I've just noticed this is really cool. Whoa. That reminds me of when I found Dr. Volt. He must have captured Dr. Volt or something. Dr. Volt held captive. T-Rex and Super Sensi exist in the same universe? We don't really know. Because they're different, you know, since like Zoom Kids originally were humans, and T-Racers are humans. You know, I've got something on my finger. Putting this on the wrong end. I am. I'm an idiot. Professional one at the moment. I enjoy being a professional idiot. And this is the guy from the B-movie! Woo! What's your opinion on that? I think literally in one word to describe it. Okay. Not the best film ever. Not the worst. It's at least it's better than the Emoji film movie. Like, I don't call them movies. It's just this movie in the I call them films because I'm British. I'm British. So anyways, that is. Turbo Queen, oh it's good. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're off to see the Wizard of Oz. 2 more. We're at 5 minutes. This is looking just about the same length as the other video. It hasn't said low storage yet. I don't want to jinx it, so I better do this quick. I did the quickly. Okay, well, that's not the right one. Okay, let's do this one. Hey, this is the cab for the bee guy thing. The something queen. This reminds me of Zuma from Paw Patrol. You know Chase actually in that. When you like recast for the British version, you sound so miserable in the British version. But it doesn't like say bad words considering, well, we're very good at doing that here in England. This is a family-friendly channel, don't worry. Now, let's see, that is, deep dip. I see what you did, alliteration, magic box. Yeah, it's a bit of a pain collecting T-Races and Superlings. And also kind of collecting Zombies and Star Monsters. I would die hard for them, but if I see them in the shop, I'll get them. Whoa! How much pain to that. You can see the camera's being ambushed by stuff. There we are. Deep dips. One more left. There, my meal. What do we have here? Oh my, I'm freezing. I'm literally turning into a popsicle out here. Oh no, that's an empty one. That's an empty. It's becoming hard to find these now. Oh one, oh this one's cool. Oh, it's like got like it's cards. Okay. Oh, that's quite neat. And we have that. Hold on. Let me just apply the wheels. Okay, that's brilliant. I'll just take a look at them. Hey, the license plate for the illusion guy thing is M4G UC, I think G 1E. So I think magic, which is an able arcade. Oh my, why won't the wheel go on? There we go. Crikey, we're at 8 minutes. Oh gosh. I still need to get the pirate shark and what's it called? The launchy, circusy thingy. Where's the racer? Where's the? Oh yeah, there's the racer. It reminds me of the one from the wave race. It's really cute. Anyways, that's him. Now, if you can find them all, I'll make the full shebang with Dr. Glow. You know what, let's not, I haven't got the time. Anyways, that's it for the video. Bye guys!